Hello, what's up guys? Are you guys not into graphic designing or not good into Photoshop? No worries, I have one awesome weapon to create good thumbnails for your social platform, especially in YouTube. This is just a small little thing that you can do for getting better result. So now let's get to the business. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancers. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanyu. Hello friends, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. The common tool which I am using for creating thumbnails is Canva. There are plenty of templates in Canva which you can go with, or you can create your own design itself. Okay, then let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started. Before opening Canva, let me tell you, if you want an image for making thumbnail, either you can take from your video or you can capture using your mobile phone separately. If you need a free tool for taking screenshot from your video, you can just type here, just type snipping tool. So don't worry about that. Take snipping tool. A window will be opened like this. I already opened one video, so I will take a screenshot from this. Go to new and drag any picture from this. Okay, I will take this as a screenshot. Okay, if you want this as your thumbnail, you can save this image and you can take this image into the Canva and you can edit this image. For right now, I'm going to save it in whatever folder you are saving. You can save it in different name. Okay, open Canva, and now I will show the method from where you can find the YouTube thumbnail. On top you can see create a design, gift certificate, business card, label. After that you can see YouTube thumbnail, right? And the dimension is 1280 into 720 pixel. Okay, in case if you're creating YouTube thumbnail custom, you can type 1280 into 720 pixels so that you will get YouTube thumbnail dimension correctly. Okay, first of all, I created many thumbnails. So under your designs, you can find that camera for YouTube beginners. It's a thumbnail design. I will select that. Okay, this was the thumbnail for the last video. And the image you see background that I had taken as a screenshot from one of my video. Right now I will delete the text so that you can understand the video very well. Okay, first of all, you can see on the left, you can see many templates for creating thumbnail. There are thumbnails for music, food, beauty, and for tutorial videos itself. If you want to use that type of thumbnails, you can use that thumbnails and edit it as well. If you don't want thumbnails like that, you can create a thumbnail with a separate image like how I am doing now. Okay, if you want to add extra text, go to text. You can select add a heading or add a subheading, anything. Add a subheading, add anything you want. Like this topic is how to make custom thumbnail. So I will provide the name how to make custom thumbnail. How to make custom thumbnail. Just increase the size. If you want to make that letters in caps, just select the alt option and just follow the cursor. You can see the uppercase option. Click that uppercase. Okay, place wherever you want. If you want to change the color, you can change the color as well. I will make it white. Right now our subject is thumbnail, so it's better you can change the color of thumbnail here. I meant change that color of the thumbnail text. And if you want the image to jump out more, I will show you one more method. Go to elements, go to shapes, and click on this square box. Okay, and do like this. Just follow the steps. Okay, just copy paste it for 3 times. You can give the thumbnail more highlight. Right now the text is in white color, that's why it is not showing. If you want to make it like this, you can create like this. Okay guys, give some highlight for the text in thumbnail so that your audience can understand what your video is all about. Right now this design is just a sample. One tip from my side, make the text readable. If your thumbnail's text is not visible and if it's very small in letters, I'm sure that your audience will skip the video and will definitely jump into the next video. So make sure your text is also very important, and your design and your content. Okay, fine guys. So if you want to add a YouTube logo on the thumbnail, you can find the logo from Canva itself. Just follow the cursor, go here and type YouTube and press enter. You can find different styles of YouTube logos. Some logos will be paid version and some will be of free. If you like to go with free, you can go with free, and if you want to get paid version logo, you can go for it. It's up to you. I guess you can make the logo a bit bigger so that your thumbnail will jump out, and it also gives more highlight. The reason why I make this thumbnail a bit reddish because already YouTube's logo is red in color. That's why I created the thumbnail in red color. Once again guys, don't forget to give the thumbnail more highlight and give some text a bit contrast color. This is just a sample thumbnail. Rest is all up to you. You can decide and plan what kind of thumbnail you want to make. Next step is go to the download button, click download. You can see PNG file, JPEG file, PDF, animation. Getting animation format, you have to upgrade Canva. So right now we have PNG, JPEG and PDF. I'm going with PNG. PNG is bit high quality image, so I'm going with PNG and download. And next I will show you how to upload that thumbnail to a video. Remember guys, a thumbnail should be very catchy, and guys you can change the thumbnail at any time. If it is already uploaded also, there is no problem in that. I'll show that. 1 second. Okay guys, if you want to edit the thumbnail on your video, just go to edit video or just go to the video manager. You can see the thumbnail section here. Just click over here, you can see edit option, edit, and I will select the thumbnail which I have downloaded now. If you take a closer look, you can see that how to make custom thumbnail, the image which I created just now using Canva, right? And if you want that thumbnail for the video, you can select it and go to the save option. And that's all guys. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, please do share, subscribe and comment. If you have a request for a video, make sure you leave a comment below in the comment section so that I can come up with a new topic in the very next video. Cheers guys. Thank you.